In this video, I'm going to share to you the amazing uses of the end key or end button on your keyboard. So let's go quick into the process. Okay, so let me show you what is the end button. Okay, so this is the end button on the keyboard. So you will notice that at the top that is in the initials like this. Okay, so let's open a document in our Microsoft Word. Okay, I have this example from here. So suppose I am in the beginning of the line. I have on the beginning of the line. I want to go to the end of the line, like the last letter on the text or the story. So I'm just going to press Control and End key together. Okay. Okay, that's it. You just need to simply press Control and End button together. Now let me go back to the beginning of the line, and suppose I'm going to select the text, the whole text. So I'm just going to press Control plus Shift plus End button together. Okay, and everything is selected from here. Okay, and then I have this one from here. I'm going to click on the beginning of the line and the first line, and I want to go to the end of the first line. So I'm just going to press the end button, and the cursor is right here. And I'm going to go back to the beginning of the line, and I want to select the first line. So I'm just going to press Shift and End key together. And that's it, okay? Now, if we're going to open a browser, and we're going to search for something. Let's say, for example, computer. Hit enter. And then we're going to open a website from here, okay? And suppose I'm going to go to the at the end of the website, or at the end of the text in this website. I'm just going to press the end button. And now I am right here at the end of the website, at the text of the website. Okay, so that's it. Those are the amazing uses of the end button on your keyboard. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.